Hi, I'm Adam Riley of Cubed3 and I'm here to show you an unboxing video of Anker's PowerConf C300 Smart Full HD webcam. This is Anker's first ever webcam and it's part of their conference series. Now, this is useful not just for people in the business, workplace, etc. It's also useful for people that are working from home. If you're using Teams, Zoom, Google Meet and other platforms like that, Skype if you still use that. But yeah, this is great also for the likes of myself and other people at Cubed3 that use webcams so much for gaming as well, not just meetings. So this, as you can see here, is Smart Full HD webcam, and you have that in different languages as well. So it's AI powered, HDR, 2 mics, it's got 115 degree field of vision, it's 1080p, 60 frames per second. So that's interesting, the 2 mics. That will be possibly one to pick up your voice, one to get rid of any background noise. So there is the PowerConf C300. It looks like a very smart device indeed. Work smart, live more. There's some little post-it notes and stuff like that. There is some various bits of information on the side. There's the Anker logo. Don't you like this Anker logo? I mean, look at this. They've made it so snazzy, very shiny, and I like the little power icon because, after all, Anker's renowned for its power. There's Anker again. Everything about the detail is really impressive. Anker really does try and make an effort, not just on the product itself, but on how it's packaged. Anker Innovations, they're always coming up with new ideas. Download the Anker Work software from software.anker.com. PowerConf C300 Smart Full HD webcam. I went through those details a minute ago. So let's have a fast tracking keeps you in frame. Instant autofocus powered by artificial intelligence. Smart auto framing. Multiple meeting modes. And what's in the box? The PowerConf C300 webcam, privacy cover ×2, USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter for those of you that don't have a USB-C port on their computers. That's a very good feature, because I actually thought, how am I going to plug this into my computer? So let's take this lid off. There we go. I'll leave that there for you to see. You see what else is in the background? You've got the Life A2 noise cancelling earbuds, and you've got here the Life Q35, Life Q30, and the Life Q20. That you notice has made the name bigger. There's Q35, Q30, the Q20. You really have to get really close to see. Oh, there it is, Life Q20. They must have realized eventually it would be a good idea to be able to see the name from the distance. But you know, you live and you learn. The newest one is the Q35. We'll be looking at that in another video along with the Life A2. We'll look at the Q30. And we'll also have another look at the Q20 as well. So for now, quickly, let's have a look at this. Put this in shot. The PowerConf C300. We have our little booklet there, user manual. It's actually, I say a little user manual. Look at that, that's quite a fat one. It's a fatty. There's anker.com/support. As I said in other videos, even though there's a finger, if I tap on it, it doesn't take me anywhere. I do love making the bad jokes again and again and again. So, you know, you've got your booklet that can take you through different languages. I keep going to the same page that's got the cover on, just because it's got a picture. There we go. Woo-hoo. Different languages. You know what? I noticed one there. Where's it gone? Oh, it's in Korean as well. 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. I noticed one that said AR, as if it's my own special language. There we go, look. AR. I know it's Arabic, but my initials, Adam Riley. The language of Adam Riley. Nobody would want to learn the language of Adam Riley. Oh, there's a warning sign. Warning, warning, warning. Fantastic product inside. That will just be safety details, I presume. Important safety information. Do not disassemble. What do you think of our work? Well, Anker, I think you might know by now that I am quite a big fan. If we've improved your workday, why not share your experience by telling friends, family, and colleagues? Write a review online and join us on the different channels. If you're not satisfied, go away. No, if you're not satisfied, get in touch and they will try and resolve the problem. If you need your software to go with this wonderful piece of kit, then you can download it at software.anker.com to make use of the AI functions. Download the Anker work software using the link above. Okay, and what we have here is this very cool device. Let's have a look. So this is, as a reminder, the PowerConf C300. You have your USB-C to USB-C port there. So one will go into the plug or your power source, the other into your computer. If you're thinking, I don't have a USB-C port on my computer, they have this handy little converter that will change one of your USB-Cs into there, click into a regular USB. Did you hear that satisfying click? Oh, you know something's gone in when it goes click. There we go. So that's very handy. And there's Anker, just so you don't lose it. There we go. And it says Anker on there as well. What do we have here? We have two specialist covers that are protecting you. So if you're ever concerned about your camera being hacked into, don't worry, because these special protective covers will go on and keep your privacy. Not that you have anything really to be worried about, but it is a concern for some people. Can I take this protective layer off? There we go, protective layer off. Get ready for Adam's grubby fingers. Here's the Anker PowerConf. You see there it says 1080p, 60 frames per second. There's the Anker, and there are the speakers. So there's one speaker, and there is another. Not speaker, microphone, sorry. There's the USB-C port at the back to power this. So you would plug this in here. So that's power to this, and then that would go into your power source, probably your computer. Well, yes, definitely your computer. You have a stand here. It looks like, is this changeable? Ah, there we go. So yes, so you can rotate this around to a certain degree, so you can play around with that. You can, I'm not quite sure. Ah, here we go. So look, so there you have, if you have like a tripod, you can screw it into there, and then what you could do is you could have it so it's on the tripod. So this means that you can actually use this standalone from your computer if you wanted to do that. So if I was doing product videos and I was recording with this plugged into my laptop, but I didn't want it sat on top of the laptop, I could put a little stand underneath and I could position it anywhere and record that way. Or you can have it so that you have it this way, and you can have it, let's have a look, how would I have this on my computer? So you basically, you can play with the angles of this, so you can lift that up there, you can bend that there, not that that's any use. So I would twist and twist, put that down, twist it around this way. Woo! So it goes around quite a lot. Bend that, and it would just be a case of trying to find the best position. So for instance, let's see, how would I have this on my computer? I think I would probably have this ridge resting on the top of my monitor. So if I, like for instance, practiced on this, yeah, so I would have it sat on my monitor rather like that, and then press that against the back of the monitor to keep it firmly in place. And oh, you can also change the angle of that. Okay, so that's interesting. So how would that be useful? I'm not quite sure. But you can play around. So for instance, if your monitor was quite high up, like that, you could have it so it's pointing downwards. If your monitor is quite low, you just do it like that. This is really, I'm going to be quite intrigued to try this out on my actual computer. Maybe do a little video of myself, which will scare everybody to see my face. But that is the Anker PowerConf C300 in brief. Nicely unboxed. Shows you the cable. Shows you how delightful this is. Quite chunky. It's got a good bit of weight to it, which is what you want. You don't want it to fall off and break. Ah, look at this. Here we go. This also moves around as well. So you've got this that moves around, this that moves around, this that comes out, this that spins around. There we go. So there's plenty of flexibility. There we go. Thanks for watching this video. We'll have more from the Anker range, from the things that are in the background in the near future. Be sure to like this video, dislike it if you really didn't like it, share some comments, let us know your thoughts. If you've got any questions about it as well, please do let me know. If you subscribe to Cubed3, make sure you tap that bell icon so that you get notifications of our new videos. Thanks for watching, catch you again very soon.